Morning friends. Earlier we have discussed about the rational numbers and how to represent rational numbers in P upon Q form in early exercise 1.1, 1.2. Now we are going to continue exercise 1.3, question 6. Look at the several example of rational numbers in P upon Q form. There no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal expansion. Then we will say what is the property of Q must satisfy. Now we can start the several example of P upon Q. Suppose we are taking 1 upon 2. This is P upon Q. Q equal to 2. Now to making terminating decimal expansion, 1 upon 2, 10, 100, whatever. So 5 multiply and divide 5. We will obtain 5 ones are 5, 2 fives are 10. So we can write now in decimal expansion, it is 0.5. In denominator there are only 1 0, so we can write 0.5 as terminating decimal expansion. But here Q equal to 2 and powers of 2 is 1. Now we can take another example, 1 upon 4. Here no other than common factors except 1. So it is also in P upon Q form. So 1 upon 4. To obtain 100 or 10, we can multiply 25 and divide 25. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Now here we are going to write this in decimal expansion. Here is the 2 zeros. Numerator there are 2 digits, so we can write 0.25. This is the terminating decimal expansion. 4. Here is the Q is the 4. So Q is the 4 means power of the 2. We can write. Now another example. 31 upon 25. We can take any number instead of 31. 15, 13, 34, whatever. Or now to make 100 or 1000. 31 upon 25. So multiply 4 and divide 4. So we will obtain 4 ones are 4, 3 fours are 12 and 25 fours are 100. So to represent in decimal expansion, here is the 2 0 in denominator. So we can write 1.24. This is terminating decimal expansion. Here is the Q equal to 5. So expansion in power form we can write 5 raised to 1. Another example, if we take 3 upon 125. So this is also P upon Q form. So 3 upon 125. So multiplying 8 and divide 8. So 125 multiply 8, we will obtain 1000. 3 8s are 24. So here is the 3 0 in denominator. So to represent in decimal expansion, we can write 1 2 3. So 1 2 and another 0 add. So 0.024. So here is the 125, 2 equal to 125. It is the power of 3, 5 raised to 3. So This is the several example 13 upon 20. So 13 upon 20 to obtain 100. Multiply 5 and divide 5. So 13 5 are 65. 20 5 are 100. In decimal expansion we can write 0.65. Here is the 20. Q equal to 20. So how can we write 20? 2 multiply 5, that is 2 raised to 2 and 5. So we can see here different properties of Q. If we want to obtain terminating decimal expansion, we will discuss the property of Q. It must satisfy. So we can say that the property of Q must be power of 2 or 5. Must be power of 2 or 5 or both.